After French Revolution, now let us briefly, count. After French Revolution, the political structure, not only of French society, but of European society, was influenced greatly, right? The feudalism which prevailed in French society as well as in European society, that was replaced by uh, democracy, right? A new realm of democracy was heralded, with French Revolution, right? With democracy, the values of equality, freedom, justice, liberty was propagated, right? French Revolution also marked a turning point, right, in human history for a struggle for, freedoms and equality, right? It put an end to the age of feudalism and ushered a new era of democracy, a new era of social order, right? A new institutional and structural arrangement in the French society, not only in French society, in the society of Europe, right? These revolutions, had some functional changes like abolition of state system, right? Abolition of authority of nobility, abolition of authority of clergy, abolition of, authoritarian rule of Bourbon dynasty. These were all functional changes, right? But at the same time, after French Revolution, social disorder also emerged, right? Like anarchy and chaos prevailed for the time being after French Revolution, right? And that anarchy, that chaos motivated, influenced the mind of thinkers, sociologists, right? Sociologists like Auguste Comte, he analyzed the changes taking place in French society, right? He studied the transformation of property, the social disorder caused by the changes in political structure and its impact on other structures, right? And not only Auguste Comte but also Emile Durkheim. Emile Durkheim studied anomie, normlessness, right, in French society after French Revolution. Anomie or normlessness had appeared with abolition of the old structure, old social structure, old political structure, economic structure, right? Status system, stratification, right? Abolition of the old, emergence of the new. The new ideas, values, equality, freedom, justice, liberty, values for equality, freedom, new institutions, democracy, democratic authority, right, democratic government. These new institutions, ideas, values were yet to be accepted by the masses, isn't it? Old had disappeared and new was yet to be accepted, isn't it? So anomie for the time being prevailed in French society, and that perturbed and disturbed mind of thinkers, right? So changes as well as challenges emerged after French Revolution, and to study those changes and challenges, sociologists like Auguste Comte, Emile Durkheim, they propounded concepts, theories, and thus contributed. This French Revolution contributed in emergence of sociology. The changes, right, were studied, by sociologists, and French Revolution, right, the changes caused by French Revolution contributed in emergence of sociology, right?